sorry, I'm not feeling the greatest. So we have a family member's eMachine that has been powering down. And I see it's got the nice migrating foot there. But let's see what we're dealing with in here. Well, I think the fan is developing a fur coat. Anyways, oh yeah, that is terrible. Some of those electrolytic capacitors. This computer did have the heatsink reflowed on it with the thermal paste a while ago, but yeah, how about the power supply? Ooh, that's pretty bad. What about the graphics card? Oh, it's a tight fit though. That is a tight fit. Oh, does it have a clip? Oh, it does. Okay, because some of these do not. So, yeah, okay. Boy, that is a tight fit for a graphics card. Is that fan even running? No, it can't even spin it. Okay, that's bad. That's real bad. There's some of that stuff that can become conductive over time. Oh man. This thing is disgusting. Well, that seems to be a lot better than it was. Last time I seen a power supply this dirty, it was not so good news for it. Look at that capacitor. Check it, that thing's just leaning in there. Who made this power supply? Oh. Well, the whole computer has been taken apart. Interesting. Look at the, no front screw hose at all for the motherboard. They decided to put it in the center, which is very weird. There's a memory that came with it. Crappy Kingston RAM. This is G-Skill. It's starting to look like a pewter again. Most definitely starting to look like a computer again. I don't know. The problem I have is that fan does not spin freely. And I scraped some of my nail polish off my finger. That's great. But I worry about the fan on there, but it's pretty clean now. As clean as I'm going to get it. All the dust is off the fan. I blowed it out, but still pretty dirty around the edges. But it's as good as I'm going to get it. One thing I don't like about this eMachines is, see, the motherboard I/O is built into the case. So you cannot replace the motherboard in this, which kind of sucks. And the foot fell off again. I'm gonna have to fix that. Anyways, here to this eMachines tower, which is AMD, you can easily pop in a different motherboard because it has its own separate I/O tray. We're just going to just power this on really quick and go from there. This one needs to be dusted off too, but anyways. Alright, it's gonna work. I was going to lay down and relax because I'm not feeling great today. But I remembered I have to do this for a family member, and I got other things I have to do. I was going to lay down and relax, but purple LEDs, and one of them's burnt out. That's great. Anyways, I hate this brand.